Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices. Put fresh batteries in the universal remote and power the Samsung TV on. Next, check the TV model in settings so you can pick the correct code or app profile. This matters because different models use different IR/HDMI-CC command sets. Once done, position yourself within 3 feet of the TV and clear obstacles between the remote and the IR receiver. That reduces pairing errors. Now you're ready to start the pairing sequence with the remote's code or auto search method. You'll now execute the actual pairing. If you have a code list, press the remote's device key, enter the numeric code shown for Samsung, and test power and volume. If that fails, put the remote into auto search or code scan mode. Hold the setup/device button until the LED stays on, then press power repeatedly until the TV responds. Make sure to wait between presses so the remote cycles codes properly. When power and volume both work, lock the code using the remote setup command to finalize pairing. You finish by saving the code. Press the setup or OK button to lock the configuration. Then test all primary buttons: power, volume, input, and menu. If some functions don't map, enable HDMI-CC on the TV or use the manufacturer's remote app as an alternative control path. If things go wrong, replace batteries, move closer, restart the TV, and repeat the pairing. Those steps resolve most failures. Finally, keep the code written down for future use, and make sure the remote's IR emitter is clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.